mbona Eastleigh inajulikana kama Little Mogadishu?
Little Mogadishu.
Yes, Kenya, not Mogadishu.
Not Mogadishu.
Yes, not Mogadishu.
And why do
this is our country? This is not Somalia.
So guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Claudia Walk. I hope you have been enjoying my previous videos. Welcome to the new subscribers. And if you have been watching my videos, welcome. And if you are watching for the first time, still welcome. And if it's your first time to come across this channel, kindness, welcome too. Because I said that some guys were calling me and they are just interrupting back. Anyway, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you have come across this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, share with your friends. And guys, I know most of you are watching my videos and yet they are not subscribed. It's free, guys. Road to 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month. Support your girl here, guys. You know your girl is overworking. So guys, let's get to the streets. Oh, you are still here. You are still here. Say hi. This is one of my biggest fans from Eastleigh, guys. Yeah. Waongeleshe Kisomali. Waongeleshe Kisomali. Huwezi elewa. Tutawatuanga. Sawa. Viti. Guys, this place is so congested, people, vehicles everywhere. But I know you're gonna enjoy this one. Look at that matatu there. Ooh, I have to go on the other side. Look at how Eastleigh is busy. Today the streets are so busy. I need to be careful. Yeah, finally we have managed. Hi. That lady calling me and guys, I just feel like yo. Kwa YouTube. Utaki? Na mbona mimi sijakuchukua na una complain? Umekiona mali? Mimi hata siwaoni. Claudia Walk. Pale YouTube.
Mwambiange watu ni.
Mnataka? Sasa kwambia hai. Unataka kuambia mfans wangu kitu?
Wape tuna siku njema.
Waambie wa subscribe.
Subscribe.
Unaitwa nani?
Naitwa Masi.
This girl is so beautiful. What do you think why do you think this place is known as Little Mogadishu?
Because of population.
Because of population?
Yeah,
kuna watu wengi, meaning from Eastleigh and I'm getting a lot of love. Okay, thank you. But the river Eastleigh is Mogadishu, yeah. Tell them you cannot accept that.
Yes, Kenya, not Mogadishu.
Not Mogadishu?
Yes, not Mogadishu.
And why do
This is our country, this is not Somalia.
But most of the people refer this Eastleigh as a little Mogadishu. I don't know why, but you can tell
They
us.
have to be arrested and taken to court. Yes, in Kenya, not Mogadishu.
So, thank you. You know, some people here want to be seen on camera, but once you get there, they are so shy, they just run. I don't know why that's Oh, sasa. Unaitwa nani? Nikuulize swali. Why do people refer Eastleigh as Little Mogadishu? A lot of Somali people. Vituko gani? A lot of dramas. A lot of dramas. Like which kind of dramas? Ramen. Sawa sawa. Claudia works on YouTube. Sawa sawa. Okay, thank you so much. Guys, let's get into the street and know why Eastleigh is referred as Little Mogadishu. Wow. People are so busy. Naenda nakuja mama. Maji. Have you been ever into Eastleigh? Have you guys, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. But guys, if you know why Eastleigh is known as Little Mogadishu, let me know in the comment section. Guys, even me, I don't know why. But we just want to interact with people and know why Eastleigh is known as Little Mogadishu. And I hope you are enjoying the video. And if you are not subscribed, I know most of the people who are watching without subscribing. I don't know. Guys, make sure to subscribe. Say hi. Hi. What's your name? We start from here. What's your name?
Peter Songo Wanyama.
Peter Songo Wanyama.
Yes.
And you?
Brian Barasa.
Sawa sawa. Why Eastleigh is referred to as Little Mogadishu?
Eastleigh, it contains a lot of Koreans, Hindus, and now it is a big town. It is busy for business. So we like Eastleigh because of the cycling business, cycling money.
Okay.
Yes.
What else?
Another one we have some different people from different countries, and also they came here to build for their homes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Why Eastleigh is known as Little Mogadishu?
I don't know Kizungu.
Kizungu.
Yes.
Mbona Eastleigh inaitwa Little Mogadishu?
Little Mogadishu. Kwa sababu wale ambao wanakaa ndani si kabila moja.
So guys, he's trying to say that because the people who stay here is not like one tribe, it contains a lot of tribes, different tribes. Nini ingine?
Alafu ingine hawa ambao wakaaji wa hapa sana sana ni Oria, lakini wako na roho mzuri. Yes.
People from this area have got a good art. Nini ingine?
Alafu ingine wako na utu.
Wow.
Wanasaidia walemavu. Wakipita naona wanawasaidia.
Oh, they help each other.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Anything. Alafu kulingana vile michengo ziko.
Wow.
Wanafanya tofauti inaonekana Nairobi. Unafikiria na Eastleigh ni Nairobi, ni kumbe wa Nairobi.
It's not like Nairobi, it looks like South Africa.
Oh.
The first thing, these areas, the first they started from South Africa, then they tried to build South Africa, and then later the South Africa country, they just warriors away, So now the warriors, they have decided to come back to Nairobi, Kenya, so that now they have changed Nairobi to look like South Africa.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. My name is Claudia Walks on YouTube. Claudia Walks on YouTube. Asante sana. Okay. So guys, those guys are just nice people. Yeah, and I'm enjoying these streets too. So let's keep on walking. Yes, we interact with more people here today. Oh, people are shopping over there. Crazy. So I hope you are enjoying the video as we walk around these streets, as we interact with people. Yeah. We have a lot of malls here in Eastleigh. Guys, I think one time we get a chance, we will go around counting the malls. I know we have over 150 malls here in Eastleigh. And they are all full of business, guys. Eh? They are full of business. Hi. Someone is calling me. Hello. I'm almost. Yeah. Thank you. You wanna say hi? Oh, say hi. How are you? Why is Eastleigh known as Little Mogadishu? Mbona Eastleigh inajulikana kama Little Mogadishu? Oh, a lot of Somali people. Nini ingine? Nothing else, guys. If you so guys, make sure once you come to Eastleigh, make sure you promote this girl. What's her name? Ali. Your location?
12th Street.
12th
Tower.
Street.
G16. They can put bags, suitcase, and materials if they need. If they need full of it, one by piece or the wholesale, they can get.
Yeah, they can get. Aya, waongeleshe Kisomali pia.
Somali sijui sasa.
Aya, sawa, thank you. Yeah. Let's keep on walking. I hope you're enjoying my video. Wale wa kamera ndio hawa. Hi. How are you? I'm fine. Okay. Yes, we are live. Guys, you can see people want to appear into my camera, but once I get near, they are shy. They are shy, I don't know why. Eh? Mbona Eastleigh inajulikana kama Little Mogadishu?
Little Mogadishu
Eh.
iko na Somali wengi.
Oh guys, you have heard it contains a lot of Somali people. Nini ingine?
Biashara hapa inaona inakaaje? Wasomali ndio wengi.
A lot of business.
Mambo mengine mengi. Hivyo tuko sasa.
Oh, nivo. Asante sana. Hi mami. Unataka kuongea? Waambie mbona Eastleigh inajulikana kama Little Mogadishu?
Toa maoni.
Toa maoni. Okay, also we have nice jackets here, guys. You can come to promote this, guys. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. So guys, I think we should end our video here. Make sure to subscribe.